Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great and I'm starting this vlog today again. I'm back at my favorite place, which is Lakme Salon, to get my hair fixed. This is how my hairs are looking. So I'm planning to do a balayage, but also let Sarfaraz come. He'll tell us what he is doing on my hair today.
Every year we do it.
So this time we are going with this one, ye wale, and somewhere in between this and this. So let's see what happens. And Sarfaraz is again doing. I'm doing it in two shades, one red and another one copper, as I told you. So this is how the shades are looking. So Sarfaraz has sectioned my hair into 5 different parts so that it's easier for him to color my hair, as my hair is already pre-colored in red. So what he is doing is he's touching up my red, but for the copper color he is taking my fresh set of hair, so that color comes out well. And if you want to see the more detailed part of technique, I would be leaving the link in I button, because I have already got them colored in month of February, so you guys can go and see the detailed video. While you guys are watching this vlog, तो मैंने सोचा क्यों नहीं थोड़ा सा चिट चैट आप लोग के साथ किया ही जाए. So I'll tell you all in details what happened that the day before this, my sister and bride, basically bride भी मेरी sister ही है, तो वो लोग दोनों गए थे. वो लोग ने अपना ट्रीटमेंट करवाया था. एक्चुअली लैक्मीज सलॉन्स जो थे वो टाइम तक नहीं खुले हुए थे, बिकॉज वो प्रॉपर लॉकडाउन वाला सिनेरियो था. तो हम लोग ने सरफराज को बहुत रिक्वेस्ट करके खुलवाया था. उसने अपने सीनियर्स वगैरह सबसे बात करके सलॉन ओपन किया था स्पेशली हमारे लिए. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू सो मच सरफराज फॉर दैट. एंड सेकेंडली, अगर आप लोग कैलकाटा में रहते हो तो मिडलटन वाले में चले जाना, वहीं पे करवाना, बिकॉज ही इज़ वेरी गुड विद इट. माई सिस्टर इन मुंबई ऑल्सो कॉन्टैक्टेड हिम फर्स्ट, एंड देन वहाँ के मुंबई वाले लैक्मी से बात करके, वहाँ के स्टाफ से बात करके उसने भी अपना ट्रीटमेंट करवाया था. उसने कौन सा करवाया था? उसने क्यूपीडी करवाया था और हेयर कलर ट्रीटमेंट करवाया था. ब्राइड ने भी क्यूपीडी करवाया था. सिर्फ मेरी सिस्टर ने सिस्टीन ट्रीटमेंट करवाया है, बिकॉज एज इट इज़ लॉकडाउन है, कहीं जाना तो है नहीं. तो ये देख लो, ब्राइड का पहले ट्रीटमेंट के जस्ट बाद और हेयर वॉश के जस्ट पहले वाला लुक ये था. Jana, what do you want?
I want the charger.
But I'm not giving you a charger. My sister has got cysteine treatment done, and she's not willing to get her hair highlights done soon. Comment and ask her to get hair straightening done. Hair.
Please ask Mika to get married.
No. I'll not get married. Ask.
Once Mika get married,
No.
then will I do highlight.
No. Ask her to get her hair highlights done. Comment and ask her to get her highlights done. No. Guys, comment.
Comment.
Without chloride or chloride?
We came to South City Mall for some shopping, and now we are heading home. अच्छा, तो मथे रुपया जाऊँ मरी. Wow. Can you guys just see my sister's hair? Just look at her hair, they're so pretty. And look at the bride's hair. So it is next day and we've gone to Urbana to get our nails done. Sorry guys, वहाँ पे वो vlog मुझे बहुत abruptly end करना पड़ा क्योंकि 6 o'clock के बाद सारे मॉल्स भी बंद हो जाते हैं, तो उसके लिए ना मुझे हम लोग को जल्दी जल्दी निकलना पड़ा और मैं एंड वाले अपने हेयर्स नहीं दिखा सकी। तो बाय द एंड ऑफ द व्लॉग आई वुड बी इंसर्टिंग पिक्चर्स सो दैट यू ऑल कैन गो एंड सी। एंड हम लोग के घर पे थोड़ा सा फंक्शन भी हुआ था जिसको सिंधी में हेड बुकी बोलते हैं, तो उसके भी मैं पिक्चर्स एंड में इंसर्ट कर दूँगी। सो स्टे ट्यून्ड। Hi guys, first let me remove my mask. I know that day I ended my vlog very abruptly because I had to go for shopping and then I couldn't just continue. So today I have come to Urbana to get my nails done. Yay! Now let me find out which side do I have to go. 1901 it is. This is 02. I guess we have to go to 1901. So I'm looking for the place. 01 कहाँ पे है? 01? Oh. Actually, this lady has a store in Acropolis Mall, but since the malls are not functional, we are getting it done at her home. So let's see what I plan to get my nails done. How I'm going to get my nails done. What is this? Is the guys. Now this is a very difficult job to select a color, and there's so many. If you all want to see how these nails extensions are done, do let me know in the comment section and I would make a by the way, these nails are my sister's. They are looking so beautiful, aren't they? So as I was saying, if you all want me to do a detailed video, do let me know in the comment section and I would love to do that for you because मेरा refilling का time वैसे भी हो चुका है.